Here we go again. So apparently, I just told you once again I'm recording using TradingView, and it just gives me 20 minutes. 20 minutes of your time. So let's go on. I was saying that 5 minute candle, a 5 minute candle delivering more than 400 pips. It's insane. 430 pips on a 5 minute candle. That's that's insane. And if you're using high leverage, you are going to cry your ass up. So price comes immediately at 9:30 to take out this high and starts to deliver lower. Again, trying to tell you what it's doing. It's leaving imbalances. It's leaving imbalances. You can see that. I don't have to put it. You can see here. Respects it. On top of that, the 1 hour BC respects it. This is the 15 minutes time frame. You can see it here, respects it, and just this is the second stage. I don't know. This is the biggest delivery that he says is the second stage accumulation. Second stage after the second stage accumulation. This is the biggest delivery you ever get because it just incorporates itself to the. You can see that um from let's say from 10 from here. Let me put a horizontal right there. That's the silver bullet. This is the silver bullet. And immediately you're gonna come and realize that this is liquidity. Price is already delivering lower, and you see this imbalance. You come, let's say you come at 10. You have this pointing out. You have this pointed out. You can see how it's using these two. So this thing is not hard. I am also not so good at it, but I am learning, and it's not hard to do it. It's not hard to stand up and face yourself. It shouldn't be that hard. So you can see that delivery. It's crazy. This is nothing like I have. This is nothing like I see daily. This is just out of this world. You can see 394 pips 94 pips. That's mad. Also, to make a correction, this is not 500 pips, 530 pips. Sorry, guys. This is 53. This is 43 pips. This is 43 pips. A motherfucker was just there saying, he just thinks he's. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Go fuck your ass. So, that is what Price did on Friday. And I used to fear Fridays because Fridays have these huge corrections that nobody seems to understand why. But I just told you, it's the tension that they're building out there. They try to incorporate it with news events, and they say, these they gonna report these about these, and that's why the price is moving aggressively. But bro, come on, just grow up and realize that this is a staged play, and this is what is happening. And if you just take take just l- a little time, a little of your time, and learn these things, it's going to change your perspective of the market. And I said all these things are happening to every instrument, and this language doesn't only apply to gold. It doesn't only apply to. It applies to everything. It applies to every instrument out there. Indices, metals. It applies to futures, it applies to forex pairs, it applies to all of you motherfuckers. Everybody applies to all of you. So that is what price did. I don't want to go back to the 1 minute time frame because motherfuckers are just gonna go crazy. That is your work. Go down to the 1 minute time frame. I'm not gonna do that. I just want to go through what um I said price is going to open soon. in just a few hours. Presume it's 2 hours flat. In 2 hours, price is opening, and we just want to see what where price might be interested in, and all the areas that price might want to reach out to. Remember, every PDRA that I have outlined here might be reused again. So I don't really have a specific one because I don't even know where price is going to open at. It can just it can just open even over 500 pips above where it closed or below. Nobody knows. So we're just going to wait for that. But we have this buy side liquidity here outlined. Price might want to come back to this sell side inefficiency. I don't know. I am just saying that. I don't know. It might not even come back today. And this is liquidity, buy side liquidity. We also have this minor buy side liquidity. Obviously, this is going to be nothing. And we have this sell side liquidity. Price might also want to use these imbalances here. I am not sure. Nobody knows. This is a volume imbalance here. 1 day volume imbalance. It's a new day opening up, a new week opening up. I'm very sure of that. Apparently, I don't have trading view premium, so I can just go back to, you know, previous data to, I don't know, they limit it, so I can point out those new day opening ups. I had it pointed out on my previous account, which I got rid of, but I believe soon I'm going to have the premium one, and we're going to be back testing and doing everything together till you get this shit, till I get this shit into my mind, till you understand what you'll be doing it independently. I also wanted to show you that on the daily time frame, I said weeks are also treated as imbalances. So this week might also want to be reused. I don't know, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it's going to be reused. I also want to say that I will create playlists on all of these PDRAs. I will want to go through all these PDRAs that I am using. I know there are a lot, so I'm going to put them in video forms that are simple to understand, and I'll go through all those imbalances, the types of imbalances, uh, that's inefficiencies, and I will go through liquidity, and I will go through all of these things so that it becomes easier for you, bro. Remember, I'm doing this shit for you, and I am here with you. So I just want you to learn. And remember, everything takes time. If fuck you if you think you're gonna do it with 1 day, fuck you. Yes, and I mean it. And yep, let's just wait and see where price is going to open. Gonna be with you. I'm gonna be with you tomorrow, and we're gonna see what price will do on Monday. Everybody is eagerly waiting to see that delivery on next week. Pretty sure we have news events, but I don't give a fuck about them. I only give a fuck about what time is the news event, and that's when I'm about to anticipate some volatility into the market, some fear being injected into the market. So yeah, that was it, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for listening to me.